Hello guys, welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to work with Intermedio Uno, okay? Pages 8 and 9 from your book, and we are going to work with Unit 1C. Yep. And as you see here, the objective of today's class is express possession, and we are going to spell words. Okay. So we are going to start with possession, and in this part we are going to do the following. For example, how do you ask the name in English? The name. What is the question for the name? Okay, the question is, what's your name? Yeah, that's the question. What's your name? And in this case, when we answer the question, how do you answer the question? What's your name? Yes. So in this case, we say, I'm going to put it with the same color. We say, my name is. Okay, so my name is. And in that case, you are expressing possession. Mine, your. Okay, so what do we have here? In this case, we have possessive. Yeah, so we are going to put it here. Possessives. Yeah, so and possessives are used to express possession. For example, I say, my marker, okay? My classroom. So we say my name is Jesus, okay? So in that case, so we have mine, your. What is the other one that you know? Mine, your. For example, I can say my name, your last name, okay? And we're going to use the other one. We have the other one that is his, her, its, our, your, and their. Okay, so in this case, we use them to express possession. For example, we can say his mother, her father, its. In this case, for example, we can say its house. We're going to explain it later. Our family, for example. Our family. Your car and their parents. Okay? So in this case, we express possession and we say that something or something belongs to somebody. Yeah. So in this case, and in general, the possessive adjective, this one, they are related to the personal pronoun. For example, in the case of mine, in general, when we say my, we refer to myself. So I. For example, I say, my name is Jesus. I'm from Santiago. For example. In the case of your, we always relate it to you. His is su. Su. But it's su de él. That is important. Her, that also means su, but it's su de ella. Exactly. So in this case, for example, when I say, cuando yo digo su padre, ¿de quién es padre? De ella, exactly. Yeah. So look at this part. In this case, when I say its, it also means su. For example, its house. Probably it belongs to an animal. Por ejemplo, ¿de quién es la casa? Del perro. Yo digo its house, su casa. ¿De quién? Del perro. When I say our family, who is talking? We. For example, our family is big. We live in Santiago. Your. You, and when we say their, they. Yeah? So, in this case, that's mean nuestro o nuestra, su auto, de ustedes, y sus padres. Yeah? Can also be su or can be sus. Para todos. Ahí les voy a explicar. sus. Why? Why can I say sus? For example, in this case, you say his mother, of course, tiene una sola madre, yeah? But I can also say his sisters. So that would be sus hermanas. Okay? So in this case, when we talk about possession, in this case we use the possessive adjective. For example, what happens if we want to know the name of another person? Si uno quiere decir, oye, ¿cómo se llama ella? ¿Cuál es su nombre de ella? So in this case we say, what's el nombre de ella? What's her name? For example, what happens if we want to know the name of a boy? Si quieres saber el nombre pero de un hombre. Y tú dices, oye, ¿cómo se llama él? We say, what's his name? Yeah? What's his name? The same like when you say, what's your name? Okay? So, but in this case, we are expressing possession. Yeah? So this is the case in which we say, for example, I can say, my mother lives in Santiago. Okay? She lives in her apartment. Okay? So in this case, I'm talking about my mother. My mother. Mi madre vive en Santiago. Ella vive en she lives in her apartment. Yeah? So that's the way in which we use possessive. Okay, please repeat. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Okay? So that is important to know. Okay? Here we have the personal pronouns. Estos son los pronombres personales que se relacionan con ellos, ¿ya? No es que sean iguales, solamente se relacionan. Cuando yo digo his sister, me refiero a que ¿de quién es hermana? De él. Si yo digo her father, ¿de quién es hija? ¿O de quién es el papá? De ella. Yeah? So that's the use of possessive adjectives, okay? So thank you very much for watching. This is the first part of the video talking about possessive. Thank you very much.